This wallet is advertised as the safest hardware wallet in the world. Well, let's test it out. In this video, I will unbox and review the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet. So let's begin. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find a hard case. Inside that hard case, you'll get a USB to USB-C cable, a USB-C adapter, a user manual, and a limited warranty and return policy manual. It comes with a 1-year warranty. There is also a webcam cover, 4 anti-theft card sleeves that block unauthorized scanning, 2 stickers, and a lanyard. But the real stars of the box are 4 X1 cards and 1 X1 Vault, which is used to set up and operate your wallet offline. I've been using the Cypherock X1 for over a week now, and I can tell you, the team clearly put a lot of work into making this wallet as secure as possible. But let's start the review from the beginning, with the company. Cypherock was founded in 2019, and the wallet is manufactured in India. There are 4 X1 cards that have NFC antennas and are used to communicate with the X1 Vault. You basically attach the Vault with an X1 card when signing transactions or setting up your wallet. When you hold your card up to the Vault, you are basically applying a cryptographic signature. By using the Vault along with your card, your wallet is never exposed to online threats. So even if your computer has malware, your crypto is safe, because the Vault runs its own firmware. Instead of storing your private key in one place, the Cypherock X1 splits it into 5 encrypted parts using a method called Shamir secret sharing. These parts are distributed across 1 X1 Vault and 4 X1 cards. To access your funds, you only need the X1 Vault and any one of the X1 cards. If you lose the Vault, you can recover your wallet using any 2 of the 4 X1 cards. Unlike traditional seed phrase wallet, Cypherock X1 removes the need for seed phrase backup by spreading the private key across 5 hardware components. However, it's important to mention that Cypherock does allow users to view the seed phrase of any of the wallets. On top of that, you can import your existing seed phrase into this wallet. The product supports 12, 18, or 24 words for your seed phrases. Cypherock X1 is open source, so anyone can check and verify the code. And speaking of code, Cypherock was audited by Key Labs, the same group that previously found vulnerabilities in Trezor and Ledger. They also run an active bug bounty program, so if someone from the community finds a security issue in the software or firmware, they get rewarded. That helps keep the whole ecosystem more secure. The X1 cards use EAL6 Plus certified chips, which is the same level of security used in top-tier hardware wallets. And the X1 Vault runs on microchip secure element. One last important security detail: the PIN. Cypherock lets you set up a PIN. However, if you lose or forget it and you don't have the seed phrase, you won't be able to recover your wallet. That's why I always recommend writing down your seed phrase and keeping it in a safe place, just in case. Speaking of coins, Cypherock X1 supports over 18,000 tokens, including all the major L1s. The setup process is relatively easy. Start by going to cypherock.com/go. That'll forward you to the Get Started page. From there, download the cySync app. Just a heads up, the app is massive, more than 9 GB, so make sure your computer has enough free space before downloading. Once you've got cySync installed, open it up and follow the instructions. The screen on the X1 Vault is a little small, but the joystick helps you navigate the device pretty easily. There is also a Cypherock cySync crypto wallet app for mobile, where you can manage and track your portfolio. The app also works as a portfolio aggregator for multiple wallets. You can manage all your private keys and sign transactions in one place. Now let's talk about the feature called Cypherock Cover. Cypherock Cover is a non-custodial, non-KYC, censorship-resistant hardware-based security service that allows recovery of digital assets in 2 of the most frequent situations: PIN loss and death. There are 2 plans available, Silver and Gold. You can learn more about this service on the Cypherock website. I'll leave the link in the description. Cypherock X1 is a very secure wallet. Personally, I like the simplicity of the design. It's easy to use, it's open source, and it's packed with some really unique features. If you want to give it a try, use my discount code CryptoSnake for 20% off. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you later. I'ma keep it a stack. People doubted my talent, really just wanted me to react. Perseverance ain't what I lack. Haters see you've got potential, then they've got something against you. Always having a